To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Dear student, today I am taking your passive voice and especially present indefinite tense. In present indefinite tense, in passive voice sentences, we bring helping verbs is with singular, are with plural and am with pronoun I. In all the tenses in passive voice, we have to bring third form of the main verb. And the sentence, first sentence, I am taking Rita sings a song. A song is sung by Rita. A song, that is singular, then is. And Raman plays football. Football is played by Raman. Rakesh writes the document. The document is written by Rakesh. Actually, these are singular number sentences. And in plural number, the washerman washes the clothes. Here the clothes, that is plural. The clothes are washed by the washerman. They sing songs. Songs are sung by them. Songs, that is plural number, so R is here. The gardener plucks the flowers. The flowers are plucked by the gardener. The flowers, that is plural number, then there is R. She teaches me. I am taught by her. Actually, me, when it is used as subject, will be I am taught by her. The teacher guides me. I am guided by the teacher. My mother loves me. I am loved by my mother. Actually, these are sentences. Now I am taking actually series. In series, there will be actually positive, negative, interrogative, interrogative and negative. First sentence, the teacher teaches the students. The students are taught by the teacher. This is positive. The students are not taught by the teacher. Negative. Are the students taught by the teacher? Interrogative. Why are the students taught by the teacher? Interrogative. Are the students not taught by the teacher? Interrogative, negative. Why are the students not taught by the teacher? Interrogative and negative. Actually, this is the sentence. And in this sentence, there is helping verb are. Now I am taking helping verb is. My father loves me. I am loved by my father. Actually, here there is use of am. This is also singular. But in sentences where there is me, that is converted into I, and there is use of am. I am loved by my father, positive. I am not loved by my father, negative. Am I loved by my father, interrogative. Why am I loved by my father, interrogative. Am I not loved by my father? Interrogative and negative. Why am I not loved by my father? Interrogative and negative. Actually, there is use of am, and now I am taking use of is. She sings a song. A song is sung by her. Positive. A song is not sung by her. Negative. Is a song sung by her? Interrogative. Why is a song sung by her? Interrogative. Is a song not sung by her? Interrogative and negative. Why is a song not sung by her? Interrogative and negative. Actually, these are the sentences. Like this, there are other tenses. There is present continuous. In present continuous, there is being, are being, am being. For example, she is teaching me. I'm being taught by her. Positive. In negative, I'm not being taught by her. Negative. Am I being taught by her? Interrogative. Why am I being taught by her? Interrogative. Am I not being taught by her? Interrogative and negative. Why am I not being taught by her? Interrogative and negative. And plural number. The gardener is plucking the flowers. The flowers are being plucked by the gardener. Positive. The flowers are not being plucked by the gardener. Negative. Are the flowers being plucked by the gardener? Interrogative. Why are the flowers being plucked by the gardener? Interrogative. Are the flowers not being plucked by the gardener? Interrogative and negative. Why are the flowers not being plucked by the gardener? Interrogative and negative. And I'm taking actually use of is being. She is teaching the student. The student is being taught by her. Positive. The student is not being taught by her. Negative. Is the student being taught by her? Interrogative. Why is the student being taught by her? Interrogative. Is the student not being taught by her? Interrogative and negative. Why is the student not being taught by her? Interrogative and negative. This is your present continuous tense in passive voice. In present perfect tense, helping verbs are has been, have been, third form. Third form in all the tenses. She has taught me. I have been taught by her. Positive. I have not been taught by her. Negative. Have I been taught by her? Interrogative. Why have I been taught by her? Interrogative. Have I not been taught by her? Interrogative and negative. Why have I not been taught by her? Interrogative and negative. Actually, this is have been, and there is also in singular has been. She has completed the work. The work has been completed by her. Positive. The work has not been completed by her. Negative. Has the work been completed by her? Interrogative. Why has the work been completed by her? Interrogative. Has the work not been completed by her? Interrogative and negative. Why has the work not been completed by her? Interrogative and negative. Like this, these are three tenses in present tenses. There is no change in present perfect continuous tense. Dear students, if you pay attention and go through these rules and regulations, I hope you may get perfection in passive voice of these three tenses: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect tenses. Okay? And in making this video, Mr. Naveen Vasist has helped me, so I say thanks to him and thank you very much to all of you.